Have you heard about big data? It's the latest rage. Everyone is talking about it. It's supposed to revolutionise loads of stuff like advertising, policing, the health sector, global development and humanitarian relief. But unchecked, it is posing some serious dangers, particularly, you guessed it, to your privacy. It all comes down, as always, to you and your marketplace value as data. Online, offline, every which way line, you just can't help producing the stuff. And there's a huge drive to collect it all because intelligence can be gleaned from it. In a sense, there's nothing new under the sun. Market and social research has always sought to help companies and governments map, understand and predict our behaviour. And until recently, there were laws that kept them on the straight and narrow. But big data comes along as this big idea, and suddenly they're collecting sets of data that are so, well, big in their breadth and depth that the field has changed entirely. This is the data that every company and government is now clamouring to collect. Because knowledge is power, and everybody's job becomes easier the more they know about everybody else. They may have asked permission to originally collect it for a stated purpose, but then it's very likely they started quietly using it for others. So think about your regular store, the one where you shop most often and use a loyalty card at. A company can take its customer database, extract and analyse information on the purchasing habits of customers, and cross-reference that dataset with increasingly available data on income, property ownership, age and other specific sets. They can then identify customers who would be most likely to respond to particular advertising. So this all comes down to predictive algorithms for marketing purposes. Searching, aggregating and cross-referencing in order to generate intelligence. Simple, right? Except, in cross-referencing datasets like this, big data analytics are putting together pieces of data that, in isolation, are seemingly innocuous, but in combination produce a detailed picture of troubling accuracy. For everyone. Across all transactions, all communications and all movements. This is intelligence gathering on entire societies, letting powerful institutions learn things about us and wider groups make decisions about us.